Hello guys, welcome today on another episode on BNT Kitchen. So today I'll be making ekwang. Ekwang is a popular dish in Cameroon. It's basically grated cocoyams and wrapped in cocoyams leaf or sweet bitter leaf. So yeah, I had frozen one already that was in the freezer because I do not have the fresh one. So I had the frozen one. I went into first of all separate them nicely, though I couldn't separate everything. So as you can see me putting them into my pot, I'm just putting it around and making sure that there is a hole in the middle because I'll be putting my hot water in there. So that's just me putting everything into my pot and still making sure that the hole is left in the middle of my pot. So I just go ahead to finally put all the crumbs that were left inside of the tray. So at this point I'm done putting my ekwang in the pot. So the next thing I was going to do is my grounded crayfish. So I'll just go ahead and add some of the grounded crayfish. I'm not going to be adding everything at the same time, so I just added some of it, then I kept the rest aside. Then I'll go in with my parboiled and washed smoked fish. So I'll still add part of it, not everything at the same time, because I'm not done putting all my ekwang into my pot. So I just kept the rest, and after adding the rest of the ekwang, as you can see, because I didn't show that one on the video, I went in with the remaining of my crayfish. I just added everything. Then after adding everything, I'll go in with the leftover of my smoked fish, the one that I used before. So I just added the remaining one. So that's me. I've added everything together. So I'll go ahead now with my seasonings, the different seasonings I'll be using. So the first seasoning I'll be adding into my pot is country onion. This one was sent to me by my mom, so it's grounded already and just kept. So I just added a little bit of it. Remember, you do not want too much of country onions because it can actually make your food get bitter. So you just want to add a little bit of it. So I just added a little, that should be like half teaspoon. I added it into my pot of ekwang. Then you can see me here, my garlic and ginger paste. I had this already in the fridge, so I just added a little bit of it into my pot of ekwang. Very important to have it in your ekwang. So after adding my garlic ginger paste, I went ahead to add my white pepper. This one was also sent to me by my mom, that's why it's inside this big bottle. So I just add a half tablespoon of that and kept it aside. So after adding that into my pot, I'll go in again with the next ingredient, which is my black pepper. Yet again, this one was still sent to me by my lovely mom, so I just added a little bit. You do not want to add too much of black pepper because it's gonna make your ekwang black, so you don't want to add too much of it. So just a little bit of it, it's good enough for your food. So after adding that, I went in with my hot water. I already boiled my water using my kettle. So remember the well I created in the middle of my pot, that's where I'll be adding the hot water. I don't want to add it on top of my ekwang because it will make it soft, and it will make it too soft. So you don't want that. So you want to put it in the middle. So once it's properly cooked, then you can stir that to make sure all your seasonings are nicely combined. So I went ahead again with my seasoning cubes. So for the seasoning cubes, it depends, it's preferential, so it depends on how you like your food to taste. Do you like it when it's a little bit too salty? So it just depends on you. So you just put the quantity you know will be enough. Then not lastly, I went again and added a pinch of salt, just a little bit of salt, not too much. So once it's cooking, you can actually taste, then adjust your seasoning. So that's my palm oil. This palm oil, it's very nice from Cameroon as well, so I added it. So palm oil is actually depends on your preference. Do you like it too oily? Do you like it not too oily? So it depends on you, how you like it. So at this point, I've added all my ingredients, so I'll just cover it up, let it cook, and voila, that's your ekwang.